Hi everyone, I hope you're well. My name's Rob Harrison. I'm going to be your faculty for developing leadership this semester. I'm really looking forward to working with everyone and working through the course this semester, learning with you and learning from you. And I hope that we get the course started off on the right foot. So in that vein, this video really is to get you started on the right foot. There's lots of important information that you'll be expected to review this week. And so the video is really created to just walk you through the course and make sure you know where you can find all that information. If you have any questions about anything related to the course, not just this week, but at any point during the semester, I want to make sure that you understand and you know that I'm very willing to help out, whether that's through emails or in-person meetings. I'm also available for. So just the more communication that you have with me, the better, and hopefully that leads to a successful semester for you and the class as a whole. So I'm going to flip us around so you can see the course homepage that we're looking at. When you arrive to our Blackboard course, obviously the first thing that you'll see is the announcements page. There is an announcement here already, and it's just an intro announcement that outlines a couple important pieces of information that you should know and be aware of. This is where, obviously, week to week announcements will be posted. You should be getting those announcements to your emails as well, so please watch for those. The other thing that you will see here when you get there is a video walkthrough, this video actually posted just above this announcement. So the next thing that I want to look at is the About Course section. The About Course section has a lot of important information that you should review this week. The first of those things is the course syllabus. It outlines the policies and procedures and expectations of the course. And then just below that, obviously, is the weekly course schedule. Please note, both of these are attached as Word documents, so you can download and print those and retain those for your records, just to have paper copies for your reference as we go through the semester. In terms of the course evaluation, there is a breakdown here, and this is taken from the course outline. 30% of the course will be done through testing, and the remaining 70% will be assignments. There is more information on these things in the assignment section available through the navigation section. I'll look at that in just a moment. The next thing is the course outline. This is just an important document to keep in case you move colleges or you go to university. This course may be available as transfer credit if you decide to move, so it is important to keep hold of that moving forward. The syllabus addendum, again, this is something that you will likely review in class with other faculty, but the document is available here as well, and it reviews information on emergency evacuations, campus lockdowns, as well as unscheduled campus closures due to inclement weather or other reasons. So again, it's not totally relevant to the online course, but is an important document to review nonetheless, and again, hopefully some in-class faculty will look at that, but again, it is available as a PDF there for you. The course text for the semester is going to be the Student Leadership Challenge by James Kouzes and Barry Posner. This is an updated version as of 2018, so we're using the 3rd edition of the text. This book is critical to your success in the course. The majority of the assignments that we do will be using elements of the course text as a fundamental piece, so it is critical that you get this textbook as soon as possible. And it is also important to keep up with the readings. I've done my best throughout the semester to align the chapters with some of the content. They don't always match up nicely, but they do have some relevant sections, and you're welcome to include connections to the course textbook in weekly assessments as well, the weekly learning tasks that we do. The rest of this section is just about communication in the course. Again, my expectations around communication, as well as your responsibilities and my responsibilities during the course. I'll let you read those on your own. The next section I want to look at is the faculty information section. There's not a lot of information in here, but I start off with just a biography of myself. You can get to know me, what my experience with leadership is, and just other personal details. The next thing is my office location. So I am located on the Barrie campus in B211. So if you would like to set up an in-person meeting with me, that is the office location you can go to. And that leads into the next point, my weekly class schedule. So I've uploaded a document that outlines when my classes are and then also when I have scheduled office hours. If you would like to set up a meeting, my scheduled office hours are the best times to do that. But if you would like to set up a time outside of that, please make sure that you send me an email and we can work that out. If you're coming to office hours regardless, it is helpful and ideal if you can send an email just in advance so that I'm prepared to meet with you and have everything that you'll need so that we can get you in and out quickly. If you would like, and again, just a reminder, I am available through email quite frequently, so that's just another option. If you have a quick question, feel free to just shoot me an email and we can figure it out from there. If an office meeting might be required, then we can set that up. So that moves us into the course content section. The weekly learning section, I have a video posted at the top of that section, and it just outlines the structure of each of the weekly learning folders and gives you sort of a breakdown of what you're expected to do in the structure. It is a consistent structure, so that video just walks you through that. The next thing I want to look at is the assignments section. And of course, this is where you're going to find all of the information for the assignments throughout the course. The first two things in this section, though, are actually an APA checklist. You are expected throughout the semester to follow APA formatting and citation guidelines. So this checklist just makes sure that you've hit all of those requirements. And then I've also included a link here to the Georgian Library Writing and Citing Guide, and Cites and Sources is obviously another option and resource there for you as well related to APA. I will just highlight here, it is important during the semester that you're completing assignments according to Georgia's policies on academic integrity. It is so important. It is something that will be enforced. Plagiarism, cheating, those are things that will be watched for and are easily picked up. So it is important to maintain that academic integrity and make sure that you get the most out of all of the coursework that we'll be completing. So again, I have included in here descriptions and links to all of the various assignment information. I've also included for most actually, walkthrough videos of the various assignments. Some people do find it helpful to just get a verbal explanation of the assignment because we don't see each other in class. So I would highly recommend actually looking through the assignment outline and just reading through it, but then also watching the walkthrough videos. Sometimes, usually there is important details in the videos that are not in the assignment outlines, and hopefully those will help you be successful, more successful on those assignments. So that's all I have right now. If you do have any questions about the course or about anything related to assignments, the course structure, the expectations, or the information that we'll be looking at during the semester, please make sure that you let me know. I'm very much looking forward to working with you and learning from you this semester. So thanks so much, and I'll talk to you very soon.